Maggie isn't just food, it's an emotion, a steaming bowl of childhood nostalgia. Whether it was packed in our school tiffin or cooked during those iconic 2 a.m. cravings, Maggie's always been there. From mountain trips with friends to quick comfort on exam nights, 2 minutes of waiting and boom, a delicious dish is ready. And now, that same feeling has been brought to life in food, presenting Coding Di Maggi. Paji, just code for 2 minutes and your virtual Maggie is ready. But hold on, mess up the code and boom, game over. We are having undercooked Maggie for dinner tonight. So, come on, give your Python 2 minutes of love and join this fun little tribute to our one and only Maggie. Maggie.
Yum 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 yum.